And he'd get this little look on his face, and he'd stop. It was very effective. I can't help but think now that that was not, perhaps, perfect parenting. But it worked, and I needed things, anything that worked. I was 18 when I got married. 18 fucking years old, hardly out of diapers, to my first famous leading man, Dixon. Dixon McCready. Remember him? No, me neither. Jesus. The way he said his own name just tipped me off. Dixon. Dixon McCready. Rhymes with seedy. Sexual harassment that just worked out is what we called it. I thought that was so funny and charming at the time. Like we beat the system. What about all those adults who thought they knew? Who told me I was too young? Who told us to wait? What did they know? I knew. It was true love. It was perfect. What could possibly go wrong? I asked my mother during our stupid, endless fights. What could possibly go wrong? Well, as it turns out, things, many things, can and did go wrong. Wonderfully, impossibly wrong. And at 22, I had had my first hit movie, my first tabloid scandal, and I was the divorced mother of a 2-year-old son. And the universe said, well, good luck with that. So, yes, my point is, indeed, don't judge. Don't you dare judge me. You've done it all perfectly, have you? Love, life, career, family, fidelity, passion. All right. But for those of you who are socially responsible, deeply fulfilled, vegan, charitable millionaires who work out and have sex 3 times a week, you can judge. But the rest of you, shut up. I'm doing the best I can. I don't hate him. How could I? I don't hate him. But he does bother me.